This lecture is about the past perfect tense. The past perfect makes clear the order of events in the past. This is one of the less frequently used tenses. Some examples of usage: the past perfect is used for referring to a point further in the past from a past point in time. For unlikely or impossible past situations, as in the third conditional, and for reported speech. Past perfect is formed as follows. In the positive case, we have subject plus had plus past participle. Example, I had liked ice cream. In the negative, subject plus had not plus past participle. We hadn't liked ice cream. As a question, had plus subject plus past participle. Had she liked ice cream? As a negative question, had not plus subject plus past participle. Hadn't she liked ice cream? So some examples when we're referring to a point further in the past from a past point in time. So we're looking in the past, and from that perspective looking further back into the past. I had saved my files before the computer froze. So at some point in the past the computer froze, but before that I'd saved my files, so all's good. We were late. The film had started by the time we arrived. So by the time we got to the film, previously to that the film had started. Or we have third conditional, which refers to unlikely or impossible past situations. If I had worked harder, I would have passed the exam. Well, this is the impossible bit because you didn't work harder. You can't go back in the past and change that. So you didn't work hard enough, and that's why you didn't pass the exam. But yeah, if I had worked harder, I would have done. Well, too late now. Or if I had known you were visiting, I would have baked a cake. Unfortunately, I didn't know you were visiting, and so I didn't bake a cake. Or lastly, reported speech. So somebody says in present perfect as a quote, I have already eaten. When we report this, we would say, he said he had already eaten. Or if somebody says, I have finished my homework, when we report this, we would say, she said she had finished her homework.